Hello, this is Hassan Al Khalili, and bringing you a lective series on how to pass the oil sands exam. Um, First, I like to start off with the basics: the who, what, where, and the where, what, and why, and who. So, the first question you'll probably see on the test would probably be, where are the tar sands located? So, where are the tar sands located? Canada. Where in Canada? Well, it's in Alberta, Athabasca, Cold Lake, and the Peace River. So I'll repeat. Where are the tar sands located? It's located in Canada, in Alberta, in Athabasca, in the Cold Lake, and in the Peace River. In other countries around the world, it would be Saudi Arabia, Iran, Kuwait, and Venezuela. So that's question number one, would be, where are the tar sands located? Question number two would be, what are the tar sands? What are the tar sands? And so, what are the tar sands really? So, tar sands are basically oily soil. They're basically oily soil. They are sticky. They are sticky deposits of bitumen mixed with sandy and clay, which require enormous quantities of energy and water and several stages of industrial processing to extract and turn into usable crude oil. So, what are the tar sands? What I said in the very beginning is tar sands are basically oily soil. Okay, so now turning over to question number three. Why do we have the tar sands? And why do we have the oil sands? Well, why do we? It's because Alberta's oil sands are a growing contributor to the world oil supply, meaning Alberta is the number one oil supply that provides oil for not just Canada itself, but for the whole world, and it's the number one province that contains the most oil. So Alberta's oil sands are a growing contributor, and they're a growing contributor to the world supply and a stable energy source for domestic and international markets. So that's question number three. Now question number four is, who controls and runs the oil sands? Number one, that's a really simple answer. It's who runs the oil sands? It's number one, it's the foraging corporations. And number two is controlled by the national government. And so far, that's 4 questions I answered, and I'll see you in part 2 of this video.